Hello guys, this is Mom and Angel TV. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today guys, we're going to do buns. I'm going to show now how to make buns for your house. Okay, we need our baking flour. This is my baking flour. And we need egg. This is my egg, sugar, and baking powder. We also need milk, our home milk. This is my home milk. So the next thing what we're going to do now to mix them together. So let's go. First of all, you add your sugar. This is my sugar. Okay. And then you add your baking powder. This is my baking powder. Then you mix together. My hand is already washed. My hand is clean. So I mix together. I mix. Okay. You make sure it's all mixed together. Mix. And then you add your egg inside. I'm going to add my egg now. Put it inside. Okay. And then you mix again. Okay, it's already mixed. The next thing we're going to add our milk. We'll add your milk inside. Okay, add your milk. Milk, not too much milk. You have to be careful so that it will not be too much. Is it? You mix. Okay. Mix all together. Is it? Just mix. Okay. Okay, good to go. Is it? Okay. Make sure it's mixed together like this. And not too much milk. Don't let it to be too light. Can see mine? Not too light. You mix it together. Okay, you can see it. This is where I mix mine. Just add a little more milk. A little. Not too much. Okay. You still mix together. Is it? Okay. And it's ready. So the next thing now is to leave it for like 5 minutes to relax so that it can come together. Leave them for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You cover it. You cover it. So we wait for 5 minutes. Okay. I have to cover it now. We wait for like 5 minutes. While we wait for 5 minutes for the buns to relax, I've already put my oil on the fire so that it will feel hot. Okay, we need hot oil, groundnut oil. So now I don't already put my oil for fire. We need to wait so that the oil will feel hot and then we fry. So we have to wait for 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, the oil is ready. You can see it's very hot. So we just need to fry. So now I normally put I dey cut my flour small small because of the children. You put the heat on a low heat, you go low am, okay? Make sure say you lower the heat. So you just cut, okay? This is it. You can see it. I don't dey fry my buns. See my buns? Oh, this is yummy buns. This is leka buns. Okay? Need to dey turn am so I no go burn, so I no go stiff. See how? You still make sure say the heat no high. You need to lower am, okay, so that you go feel don't enter inside. You need to lower your heat. So this is it. You can see it. Is it? Is it? Is it not beautiful? Is it not looking beauty? It's beautiful, guys. Oh, this buns is so yummy. You need to try these buns at home. Try make am for your kids. My children like these buns so much. Okay? So we continue to fry. So we still dey fry. You can see my buns. And like this, I take the fry for my kids. My kids like these buns so much. They like to use these buns with milk. Sometimes in the morning, sometimes in the afternoon. They like them so much. See my buns? See? Oh, this is yummy. This is yummy. You can see it. This is my buns. I'm still going to fry. I'm still frying. Okay, guys. I'm going to fry. I'm going to fry the last one now. The last buns. So that we are good to go. These buns, and hey, my children love the buns. They like to eat these buns every time, you know. You know, children with buns, they love buns. Children love buns. This is it. Okay, we are done. We're going to fry this last one now. This is the last one. Then we are good to go. Okay? Okay, guys. Now the buns be this. We done through. The buns is ready already. You can see. This is my buns. My children, they love these buns so much. They love, when I say they love it, my children, they love these buns. Anytime I do buns for my children, they love them. Okay? So, we are done. I'm ready to go. The buns is ready. It's finished. You can see how I make it. It's ready. The buns is ready. You can see my buns. Buns is ready. These are my buns. Okay? So, try to do your own for your house. And see? Okay, it's ready. It's yummy. This is lekker. So lekker. Try to make your own at home. Marco. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell. So anytime I upload any of my videos, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, guys. Thank you. And bye. Cheers.